we are again. I just took the liberty to paint the new wheels. As you can see, they came out really nice. And yeah, I'm going to put a link in the description down below what kind of paints I used, but this was all clad metallizer in gunmetal gray, which is actually looking stunning, and the black as well. So yeah, this is what's going to be the new wheels. As you can see, it's got a nice profile, but they need to be mounted. So I took the parts which actually have the wheels over here, and at the moment I'm also preheating my soldering iron, which you can see here. It's not there yet, but as soon as it is, what I'm going to do is, there are metal pins right here which hold the wheels in place. I'm going to preheat them for a couple of seconds and then carefully wiggle the wheel out of the way, so make room. And I'm going to use the pins, as you can see I already made some holes in here, to attach the new wheels and make sure everything fits hunky-dory and pretty the way it should be. So it's almost time to do this. I had to re-angle my camera a little bit so I can actually have you people look with me while I do this. Normally it takes about 20 to 30 seconds to get them off. Might have to edit this, make it faster in post-edit, or cut it together, as you will. But yeah, here we go, I think. Yep, that's one of the wheels gone. I'll keep the pin because I'm going to use it later, but for now that's one wheel to go, or one wheel down, 3 to go. Second one gone. You can also use this technique if you're feeling like wheels are too loose and you want them tighter. You can heat the pin and just press the wheel together a little bit better, and that way it will connect the wheel. Here we go with number 3. Just be careful when you do that, as you don't want to hit the plastic because it will melt instantly with this heat. And then you ruin the figure, which is always a shame. And that was number 4. And always immediately disconnect your soldering iron. Here we have the wheels disassembled. You can actually see that the wheels fit neatly onto the new package. I'm not going to mount them yet because I'm going to paint Bumblebee, but this should give you a nice idea of how the new wheel will look compared to the other one. It actually shows you that it fits in really nice. It looks so much better because it actually makes the figure look like a proper car with the tire in there. So yeah, I'm pleased. And as well, with the new wheels going on, I'll just put them side by side with the other ones just to give you an idea. And just for good measure, the unpainted one as well. So if you take a look at these, they are exactly the same measurements. They are to give the same thickness and the same height, so it would never interfere with the way it transforms at all. But it looks so much better just to have actually a tire profile in there, and yeah, the wheels so much bigger that actually it's almost awkward for Hasbro. It looks wider, but it actually is the same width, as you can see. That's the next stage, and all they have to do is fit on top of all the wheels and just use the pins and get them in there. That's at least what I'm going to do. So thank you for watching, and I'll just go and make the next clip, which will be fitting the new lights into the bumper to make sure that Bumblebee looks the way he should look. Okay, thank you. So this is just a little small update I forgot to put on the camera. This is a bit silly, but it's the way it is. I printed out new parts for the Bumblebee bumper. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, that's how they came out. I just cut a hole with a drill, made some alterations, and then cut the pieces out to fit it, and then the result is like this one. It needs some filler, it needs some sanding, and then it's good to go. So that's the bumper. That means that we got the bumper, we've got the wheels, we got the hood, and then it's just the front splitter, and it's the spoiler, and then the body at least is ready to go, and then all we need to do is fix the robot mode, and then you can go get his paint job. Okay, thank you.